They just completely missed it. Boy, it's been a while since I've reviewed one of these on the channel, but what is up everybody? Today we'll be taking a close look at the newer 6-pack of actual fake cars. This was from Temu, so I guess without further ado, let's get straight into the review of this 6-pack here, which contains Lizzie, Lightning McQueen, Flo, the King, Cruising McQueen, and Mater. I believe that's what they're trying to show these guys as, but before we take a close look at them, we've got to take a close look at packaging, because it is always funny to take a close look at this sort of stuff. So instead of it being Cars 3, it is Speed Racing Cars 3. They use the Piston Cup Hudson Hornet McQueen there from Cars 2. We have Danica Cruz, ages 3 and up. And then we've got a Jackson Storm image there. We've got the Cars logo there again, and then it says Alloy Material, as in die-cast I suppose, and Handsome Appearance. Handsome Appearance. 2 words when it's supposed to be one. Handsome. That reminds me of the Squidward meme, you know. Oh my god, he's handsome. Yep, we can see there. We've got the Action and Speed and the Lightning McQueen there. Obviously, I'm going to show the whole of the packaging because it is always interesting to look at. Speed Racing again. We have Lightning McQueen's signature there, which is actually quite cool. And this is the creepiest image I've ever seen. We got Chug and Mater. How are they friends? I have no idea. Maybe one of you guys in the comments below can let me know how they know each other, I guess. And then we've got Lightning McQueen here again, although they've got McQueen's name and then just Lightning. And I love how they use the Goodyear blimp instead of the Lightyear blimp, because they didn't want to get copyrighted for using the foot wheel thing, even though it has the copyright above the R there. Hudson Hornet Piston Cup. We've got Jackson Storm, the same image of Cruz and McQueen again. Action and Speed, a bunch of information that doesn't bother me whatsoever. On this side we have a picture of Lightning McQueen and Cruz Ramirez, well, just her teeth, which is definitely not creepy whatsoever. We got some, other, CE copyright there. And I believe that is it for the whole of this packaging. I didn't want to miss anything out. Yep, so I'll be right back with these all out of the packaging. Let's get straight into this crazy video. So here they are, sort of out of the packaging. I wanted to take a first look at out of the packaging with you guys. I just wanted to take it out easier. And I guess, oh my god, what the hell is this? This isn't even Lizzie. What the hell? I am concerned. What is wrong with Lizzie? Oh my god, they got the massive tyre on the back. And, oh, she's peeling away as I say this. This isn't even die-cast. This is plastic. Maybe the only metal is this bit here. But apart from that, oh my god, what is wrong with her? The base, there isn't even anything on the back. Oh no, there is. There is. Nope, this there isn't. They completely rubbed off the copyright there. That is just some creepy stuff. Lightning McQueen we've already sort of taken a look at previously. I do have the Halloween one here, so you can see the difference. Obviously almost the same. This is just a generic Lightning McQueen that they use. Obviously the Cars 3 version. Lightning McQueen Autogain RPM, Revolting and Clutch Aid, just basically in red. Not even their correct colours. Nothing on the back, which is surprising. We've got the side there. Just some goofy ass eyes. And a bunch of copyright UK Canada. Manufactured in... Where the hell is that, guys? Is that even a real place? Is that even a real... That is such a long name. But then again, Chinese places do have long names, I suppose. So there is McQueen. Obviously going to take a close look at Flo now. And she looks very depressed. She looks sad. Maybe she's sad because she doesn't have Ramon isn't in the back. Maybe that's why. I mean, she's smiling, but again, the expression just looks like she's sad. She's got nice red rims. I mean, Lizzie does as well. She's sort of accurate. She doesn't have a license plate on the back, although they probably tried to cover that up, I suppose, so they didn't get copyrighted. There is the base. Just some creepy stuff. Ugh, Flow. Yeah, no. Passing on Flow. Up next, here we have the King. Oh my god, look at the King. He's probably one of the coolest ones out here, actually. Really cool. We got Dinoco, which is spelt correctly. The Dinoco Dinosaur, 43. Got the eyes there, 43 again. Got the spoiler, 43, which is a little bit scuffed up here. And he's got Vitaline, Mood Springs, and what is that logo there? Revolting, I believe. I'm not entirely sure. We can see he's got the blue rims there. There is the back, other side. And the base, again, just nothing whatsoever. And then here we have, come on, let's do it this way. There we go, Lightning McQueen. And again, well, the cruising version, and they just completely missed it. Oh my god, what the hell is that? That is so creepy. That is so creepy. We have the lightning bolt on the side, which is accurate. We've got the fuel cap there. Guys, I just can't stop laughing at that. Look at that. Oh my god. He doesn't even have any copyright there. But that is McQueen. And here we have Mater, which has been in some other packs before. But I don't actually have this Mater, so I will be keeping this one. And as well, just say Tone Mater, Turner Savage, Radiator, Springs. Yep, that is correct. So they did get that correctly spelt. Ooh, Goofy Mater. Goofy Mater. And obviously I did show off a Halloween Mater that they done for Halloween. Obviously I reviewed it in November. But you can see here the difference. These two guys, very interesting. Very interesting stuff for sure. So, let me know in the comments below what you actually think of these. I mean, they are very weird. Lizzie for sure, Flo. The King is probably the most accurate. Cruising McQueen is definitely the creepiest. I mean, look at that smile. That is not even printed on properly. That is just terrifying. Obviously, Lizzie, again. Quick look at Lizzie. Really creepy. Yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think of these. Will you be getting this pack from Temu/AliExpress? And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. Until the next video, which will be in a few days' time. Peace, everybody.